Always check, make safe, and treat all weapons as if they are loaded at all times. Welcome to the Cross Armory Stock Lock installation video. Let's get started by examining the contents of the package. In the package you'll find the Cross Armory Stock Lock, lock plate with screws, and 2 Allen keys used for installation. Now, take the stock lock and the large Allen key and undo the screw retaining the lock stock halves together. Once the screw has been removed, open the stock lock and slide it over the stock tube, making sure to position the Cross Armory logo to the right side of the stock. Adjust your stock to the desired position. If the stock is fully extended position, you will not need to use the lock plate. We will cover the use of the lock plate later in the video. At this point, tighten the screw on the Cross Armory stock lock and you're done. It is highly recommended to properly use the thread locking compound by cleaning the machining lubrication from the screw and the mating portion before using a thread locking compound. Use thread locking compound sparingly. This will ensure the screw will retain the Cross Armory stock lock securely to the stock. Now we will cover the installation of the Cross Armory stock lock with the stock in any other position than fully extended. Move your stock to the desired location. At this point, we will use the lock plate to securely attach the Cross Armory stock lock. Attach the Cross Armory stock lock as we did in the previous part of the video. Tighten the screw securely. Now take the lock plate, paying attention to the alignment of the tiny hole that aligns with the Cross Armory stock lock. This will ensure the lock plate aligns squarely with the stock lock. Use the supplied button screw and the small hex key to tighten the lock plate to the Cross Armory stock lock. Now we can tighten the set screw on the lock plate into the stock. Take the small hex key and screw the set screw into the stock in order to fix the Cross Armory stock lock to the stock. At this point, you're finished. If you would like to make a more robust connection, you will need to use a drill to make an indentation to receive the set screw. This is optional. When tightening the set screw, it will make a corresponding mark which we will use in the optional next step to drill the hole for the set screw. Now we will take a number drill size 22 or 0.157 inch equivalent size. Using the mark made earlier, drill a small depression, making sure not to drill through the stock, but deep enough for the set screw to securely seat into the depression, making a secure, slop-free connection from the Cross Armory stock lock to the stock. Tighten the set screw into the stock and you're finished.